Good afternoon, guys. $76 million. That's how much CPS is going to spend over the next 3 years, adding security cameras and updating existing systems to help make students and staff feel safer.
Every year, we've always put money from our capital program, but it's always been small. It's been about $8 million. So we're going to be using a combination of capital, and also we're looking at using some of our federal funds.
Tens of millions of dollars in extra funding to improve safety announced here this morning at Eli Whitney Elementary School in South Lawndale, one of the first schools to have benefited from this project, with new cameras going up here back in September. It's part of Phase 1, which will see a $13.5 million investment spread across 63 schools. 58 of those are elementary and 5 are high schools. That phase should wrap up over the summer. Phase 2 will be an investment of more than $30 million, cover 135 schools, 120 of which are elementary and 15 at secondary level. That will run from September of this year through August of next. And the final phase will be the priciest, at almost $32 million. 133 schools are earmarked there for improvements, 122 of which are elementary and 11 further high schools. That last phase will start in September of next year and wrap up in August of 2025. Now, some schools already have up-to-date camera systems, so they're not included here. Those that are being prioritised based on a scoring model that factors in things like current condition of cameras, the number of safety incidents taking place at the school, and the number of criminal incidents happening nearby.
We are going to, in this wave in the next 3 years, do an analysis. We're working with our partners in law enforcement to make sure we got the proper coverage.
Once they're installed or updated, there will be on-site access to the cameras, but they'll also be visible to the CPS Central Security Team, along with OEMC and CPD.
If anything happens in the community or an emergency, it gives us the ability to, again, to have that partnership and have where they have direct access. Because again, things take time, and in these emergency situations, every second counts.
Now, one school-related incident that might be fresh in people's minds is the shooting outside of Benito Juarez High School back in December. 2 students died in that shooting. We're told that the cameras will be updated there as part of this first phase.